Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. Today we are at Mr. Simone's house. We have been working on this house for over 6 months. Let's have a look. Hi!
Welcome home, benvenuti a casa. When I bought this house, I decided to have a comfortable home for me and the family, and so I started to, first of all, to contact an interior designer just to have every place of the house personalized, customized, comfortable.
So we started this house last year, apparently in July or August, right?
August,
yeah. So I met Mr. Simone for the very first time, and he was one of those people who carried a big file with all the measurements of the house, and he knew exactly what he wanted. We took half an hour almost to go through all the pages of the file. I met his lovely mother, his child, and we got to speak to each other and understand the brief. And what I love the most is when I get the opportunity to work with a smart person who exactly knows what they want, and they also push me in some ways to get out of my comfort zone. Being a designer, you have one language which you speak, and when you get another flavor of somebody else who knows what they want, and they push you to give better, to make their house look as per their vision.
To start the interior design in the house, and I contacted Jyotti, my interior design. I work with her every day, choosing every piece of the house. I was very determined, so I like to have certain pieces, but I always ask her suggestion.
And we have worked on this house in phases. We took one part of the house, then we searched for coffee tables, then later on we searched for a matching console. Artwork took a lot of time for us to choose for every part of the house, and we have taken a good amount of time. Every month we were together searching for a perfect mirror or a perfect vase for the house.
Personal things for the house, like paintings that I like a lot, accessories for the houses, golden ones, because I prefer to have the golden color, and flowers also. More comfortable area that I like in my house is the sitting room, of course, thanks to my sofa. And I like also my bedroom, which is very comfortable. And when I come back, I feel like to come in my home, which is all customized for me, and I feel relaxed and I feel at home.
I enjoyed every conversation. We have had plenty of discussions, and I hope it remains the same on his end as well.
Absolutely. I found in Jyotti absolutely the perfect consultant for me for any point of the house. So whatever now I have need for the house, I ask Jyotti.
Like, share and subscribe to the channel.
Iscrivetevi.